Hi everyone, how you doing? Today we're going to make some of these Lebanese spicy potatoes. They're really delicious, known as Batata Harra, which translated basically means potatoes, spicy. So some spicy potatoes, nothing to it. We're going to get straight to the cooker. Okay, so we're going to go straight in on this one. It really is very simple. I've got some oil there. I'm actually using an olive oil that I'm getting quite hot. And I've got my potatoes there, cut really small, peeled and cut really small. In they go, it's going to be noisy. We're going to cook these for about 5 minutes or so. Keep them moving around. I want to get a nice bit of colour on them. We're only going to add, just a few more ingredients and it's done. Really, really simple, this one, but delicious. See you in a minute. Okay, so I've got them at this stage now to this colour. Some people would cook them a bit longer, but I'm happy just there. So basically, you've just got yourself some little French fries. What I'm going to do now is just drain off about 50% of that oil. I'll be back. Okay, so I've reduced down that oil there. And like I say, you've just got some fried potatoes there. This is where the fun starts. What we're going to do now is drop in chopped garlic. And I've got quite a lot of garlic here. By the way, I'll leave all the measurements for everything just below. Some salt. I like to add a little bit of black pepper. And some chili powder. As much or as little as you like. You could even put some fresh chilies in here. Cilantro or fresh coriander, in that goes. And just one more ingredient, that is a little bit of lemon or lime juice. Off goes the heat, give that a little mix, and you're done. Very, very simple, very, very delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.